Hello Capricorns, welcome to my channel Karmic Sage. Namaste. So before we begin our July 2020 reading, I request you all dear Capricorns to please subscribe to my channel so that you shouldn't be missing out on my other coming videos also. Okay. Thank you so much for doing that. Now let's begin with our reading, and here comes the first card, dear Capricorn, and this is the Hanged Man. So the card says that in the month of July, you will be stuck up or not stuck up, but you need to wait. You need to have some patience. It says that yeah, just relax and let the life happen. Okay, don't just rush up into the things in any kind of, either in personal or in professional. So just relax. If something is not moving on, it's not that time. It may take, the things may take some time, and probably after some time you may see the progress. So don't just simply rush into the things, or even if it is taking time also, still there is a stationary person, like the card says. Yeah, things will be held up and this will get sorted by itself. Nothing to worry about it. All you have to do is, you shouldn't be anxious about it, anxious about the situation, or anxious about nothing is moving, or when it is going to happen, all these things. So if you are planning to do something, just keep doing the things, and don't think about the progress immediately. Don't think about it reaching to the result immediately, because that is what is going to take time. Okay, so that is a challenge that Capricorns you have to face. But I know Capricorns by nature are patients, carry loads of patience, so you will be able to handle this situation very easily. Now coming to our second card, dear Capricorn, here is the second card, which is the Seven of Pentacles. So I am seeing that all your patience has reaped, has given you a fruitful result. Okay, that sounds good, isn't it? So this card says that yeah, there is a progress coming up. Excuse me. So there is an end of hardship. Okay, there is probably, you may also see the progress coming up, and you know but it's not coming to you. It is taking time for you to come, I mean, for it to reach to you. Okay, like the appraisal is already declared, or something has been happened, but it's not coming into your hands. It's taking some time. So there may be a kind of delays also, but even though there is an end of something, some hardship, and it says that you will be rewarded for it. At the same time, the card says that it is a time now. It is a time to look for some long term planning, to make some long term planning that will benefit you more. Okay, so this is how the month of July is bringing you mm, positive prospects. And then we have your third card, your Capricorn, and this third card is about the Fool. That says, that talks about more of your independence, more of your innocence behavior again. Probably you might have trusted someone, or and then things are not moving forward, if we consider our first card. Okay, so it talks about an innocent behavior also. And at the same time, if I am looking from the second, comparing from the second and the third card, okay, and then I'm seeing that no, this time a new beginnings are about to happen, or a big new beginning in your career, friends, a new relationships also. And that may give you lot of calmness. Okay, a lot of satisfaction as well. So nothing to worry about. I mean, everything is if I am seeing that things are moving, but they are moving at a slower pace, yet they are still moving, and they are going to reap you good benefits. So this July month is quite prosperous, and the wait, just have to relax, just relax and let things come to you. Okay, and yeah, then I have the energy card, which is on the similar front, right? So dear Capricorns, this is a card that says victory. victory is on your card. That means you are not that means you have to allow victory to come to you. Okay, so that talks about patience also, that talks about your efforts also, and yeah, yeah, your constant efforts towards it. So you have to open yourself to accomplish victory, because that is what is ahead, right? So that is what is ahead in your future, in your coming time. So it can again be an success, kind of success again, or the card also says that mm, a deeper inner change, a deeper inner change, something really good, a positive change or something really good change can be accepted within you at the same time. So this overall, this going to give you good efforts, good, it's going to reward you. Okay, and then I have your universe card, a message from the universe. Let me read this for you. Dear Capricorn, I am unapologetic about what I desire and trust that what I focus on will grow. That's more about perseverance, isn't it? So just be, just constantly work towards it. What you desire to do, what I focus on will grow, definitely. So the more you work towards it, the more you attract it, isn't it? So with this, I'm finishing your reading, dear Capricorns. I'll see you again in the coming month. Till then, I wish you good luck. Have a great time. Have a great month. See you then. Goodbye.